So this is the recording of the sound that I'm going to get here very shortly. Just drove down about 600 feet down the driveway and did not exceed more than 10 miles an hour. So here in about 200 yards, the sound will start. We're over 25 miles an hour, and we're at 30. It doesn't seem to trigger on any speed going at this point. It's more like distance. So it should be coming up any moment now. There it is. Now note that as I slow down, it'll stay until about 4 or 5 miles an hour. Okay, then it goes off. That's about 4 miles an hour. And there it came back on. It comes down around 8 to 10 miles an hour. Now watch, I'll put it in neutral, rev the engine. Does not follow the engine. Comes down again, it'll shut off about 4 or 5 miles an hour. There it, but it doesn't come back on until, yeah, somewhere in there. That was 14 miles an hour. Now, it'll keep this pitch for about another mile. And at that point, it will jump up into a really high frequency and not quite as loud. And then it'll hold that high frequency for about 2 miles, 2.5 miles, and then it'll pretty much fade away. If I stop, it'll come back, but after it warms up, it will not come back until the truck is set overnight. So there you have it.